Inter-University Center for Organic Farming and Sustainable Agriculture, IUCOFSA, was established in Mahatma Gandhi University in 2015 to facilitate interdisciplinary studies to synergize the academic, research and extension activities of the affiliating universities in the state in the niche focal area of organic farming and sustainable agriculture. The center, funded by the Higher Education Department of Government of Kerala, envisions mending the strained link between human beings and nature, encompassing ecosystem, farming, food, living, cultural and social practices. The center was formally launched in 2015 by Professor P.J. Kurian, Deputy Speaker of Rajya Sabha. Detailed scientific survey for documentation of traditional knowledge tips in farming, seed selection and preservation, soil preservation and preparation, application of organic manures and pesticides, culture, inherited oral songs, stories, literature and heritage are among the prime objectives of the center. In order to create awareness among the school students on organic ways of living and farming, a week-long vacation program titled Ilam Pacha was organized from May 18, 2015. As paddy cultivators are facing serious weed-based problems, IUCOFSA, in association with the School of Environmental Sciences and Advanced Center for Environmental Studies and Sustainable Development, launched a research-oriented paddy cultivation project in Vallagam in Udayanapuram Panchayat in Vaikam Taluk. The center took 6 acres of desolate fallow wetland on lease for 3 years and initiated paddy cultivation of the traditional Nyavra variety, which is known for its curative properties. Research publications on the experiments conducted in the fields are under print. A 3-day international conference on the new trends in organic farming and sustainable agriculture, farmers meet, an exposition of organic agro products was conducted from 29 December 2016. The center has also taken up creation of germplasm of traditional species of plants, trees and nearly extinct food varieties. Honorable Education Minister Professor C. Ravindranath initiated the germplasm project by planting 40 varieties of jackfruit trees in Mahatma Gandhi University campus in December 2016. In order to strengthen the Haditha Keralam project of the state government, IUCOFSA drafted a public education program christened Jaivam 2017. To create awareness among the public on the necessity to embrace organic living and farming practices and to bring in family-level self-sufficiency in fruits and vegetables. The outreach program of Jaivam, in association with the National Service Scheme and Kerala Jaiva Karshaka Samiti, was formally inaugurated by Kerala Agriculture Minister Shri V.S. Sunil Kumar. Shri Matthew T. Thomas, Honorable Minister for Water Resources, inaugurated the training programs of the Jaivam project. The massive awareness program and the campaign activity covering 5 lakh households in 71 panchayats and 6 municipalities in Kottayam district was launched by the Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan, on August 29, 2017. IUCOFSA is readying itself for formal academic cum technical tie-ups with Sikkim Organic Mission and Kassel University, Germany. Preparation for the launching of a PG diploma program in organic certification, organic farming and food processing are in the final stages. The center has also commenced a regional center for sustainable organic farming in tribal-dominated Vallagam in Moonalav Panchayat.